What are you waiting for?
What are you waiting for? Enjoy your life now.
Right now, in the present, is the time to enjoy the little luxuries in life that you are giving to yourself and waiting for a special occasion but not wanting to use it. Use it now.
Buy the flowers, light the candle, use the nice silverware, drink that aged bottle of wine, eat that cheese, do whatever it is that you've been holding off for that special, perfect, the stars align occasion. Do it now.
Do it now. And we're speaking so passionate. This is a very inspired video because I, for one, have had many friends in my life and family who buy luxurious, beautiful things, but they put them away and they don't want to use them until a special occasion. And it's like, what if that special occasion never comes? Then, like, you've got, you know, a beautiful candle that you bought with every intention to use it and it's just collecting dust, right? Enjoy it now. Like, you are worthy of that. You deserve that. And yeah, that special occasion might not come, or it might look a little different than you expected. And like, life can change in an instant. And it's so important to give yourself those little luxuries in life because that's what life is all about. Enjoying the here and now, the ever-present moment, and you deserve that.
Absolutely. So if you're new here, my name is Bee.
And I'm Jessy.
And we are here to help women heal themselves from the inside out. We use stuff like breathwork, energy work, and conscious coaching. So if that sounds intriguing to you, stick around, hit the subscribe button, and see more videos.
We have people in our lives that we see that aren't using things that, you know, they consider a luxury, and so do we. And it's like, no, baby, you deserve it. Use it. Don't store it away, right? Use it today. That's
Wow.
reminded me of that commercial. That's like the Empire commercial.
Empire.
Yeah. Today.
Anyways.
What do you have to add?
Well, I feel inspired about this too because I feel like I used to be like this. Like, especially, I don't know why, but I'm thinking about candles. Like, I would have, like, you know, some, like, nicer candles. And I think it's all, oh, this is just coming to me. I feel like it's also, it could be a scarcity thing, like the not enoughness. So like with a candle, like I didn't want to light maybe my favorite candle because I loved it so much and I just wanted it to last and I wanted to like really savor it, I guess. But to be honest, now looking back, it's like, no, that's a reflection. That's a mirror saying there's not enough. So... and then also deeper with that, like, I'm not enough.
And maybe there was like some sort of attachment to something ending.
Oh, well, yeah.
Right.
I have abandonment trauma. So.
The candle burning out, right? It like being done. It's like your favorite candle and then you've used it all and you're like, oh, it's gone.
Right. And I can't get it again. And it's not going to come back. The candle has left. The candle has left the building and it's never coming back and I'm abandoned and I'm wounded and I'm not enough.
Wow, it's a
we
lot
are doing
of
therapy.
Unpacking from a candle, but no judgment.
Everything is a reflection in your life. Truly.
That's true.
So like if you're having this feeling of like, yeah, it's not enough or it's going to run out, like that's reflecting something deeper to you. And I've been learning this because I've been thinking about and I've been doing a lot of deep work with like money and rewiring my relationship to money and even our business. Like all of that is a reflection of how you feel about yourself.
Right. And today you came in the room and you announced to me a different way to look at the business. And I would like you to repeat that because that was like, I feel like somebody needs to hear that in the world.
Yeah.
Whatever passion, whatever you're envisioning, whatever your vision is, you're dreaming big, whatever that is, take it away.
Yeah. So I've heard this in different ways, but it's never quite landed like this. And I heard it from someone on Instagram that I truly admire and look up to. Her name is Lauren of Love. She's so amazing. She is, you know, she's a coach, a healer, a teacher, all these things. But she basically said that your business, so if you're an entrepreneur, this is definitely for you. So definitely, yeah, someone here needs to hear this because I needed to hear it. But in the world of entrepreneurship, your business, whatever wants to come through you, is already technically a soul. Like, think about it. It's its own entity. So for instance, this is how she sort of phrased it. if you are birthing a child, that child you didn't create, that soul, you did not create it. The soul was already there. It already existed. Energy is not created or destroyed. It's only transmuted. Isn't that what it is?
Right.
So, the soul already exists. You're just birthing it through your vessel. Same thing with a business. Your business already exists. The codes already exist. The energetics already exist for it. You are just birthing it through your vessel. So that was like a light bulb to me. Oh my God, why am I thinking of with my mind, is this the right business strategy? Should I do this live event? Should I teach these classes? Should I just be online? What should I do? Instead of me trying to figure all this out with my mind, I need to freaking go ask our business entity, which is basically our baby.
Which is basically our baby that we are, you have to nurture your baby. And I think at some points, especially in our business, we've tried to force our baby to grow up a little too fast.
Absolutely.
And I think that's a really it's a very slippery slope once you start going down it.
Yeah.
But that definitely sparked something. When she told me that this morning, I was like, huh, yeah, like that makes total sense. You know, we've heard that in many different variations of that, but for some reason, the way that she said it stuck more.
Oh, it did for you too? Okay, cool. I thought I was the only one.
No.
So that means someone within our community needs to hear it. And if you're new here, hello, welcome to the community. And we were also talking about this too. Like, it's such a freaking miracle that you are here, that we have actually been born. I don't know all of the numbers. You can probably go look up a video where it tells you all the numbers, and it's a 1 in a millionth, probably way more than that, chance that you're even alive, that you were even created and born. So like that in and of itself is a miracle. Your whole life is truly a ceremony. Like, that's what one of my old mentors would say. He would say, he was like such a spiritual guy, but he would say, like, your daily life is this ceremony. Like, he would guide us through ceremonies and say, okay, now the real ceremony begins. Like, go out and live your life. And I truly believe that. So like, I've been, I feel like embodying that more. Like, we're lighting the candle, we're getting the beautiful, these are my favorite flowers, we're getting the flowers. I'm using really nice silverware. Like, I'm not waiting for things. I'm using my nice lotion. I'm using my nice soap. Like, why wouldn't I? My life is a miracle every single day. And so is yours.
So is yours.
You're so cute. I think that's it.
So tell us in the comments, like, what does your daily ritual or a daily ceremony look like for you? Like, we'd love to know. And we'd love to know, like, the little luxuries that you afford for yourself and give to yourself every day.
Absolutely. So as always, take what you need, leave the rest, and most importantly, go love yourself.